Hey guys!
Hello.
Today we're doing a video with my cousin, me,
and Zach, Claw and Collect. And we have a new shipment
Yay!
of stuff from Alibaba.
And
We're going to take a look at all that and see what all this is. We'll show you different pieces at a time. Looks like we have some light up monkeys
looks like we have some of these things.
that also have suction cups.
We have some of these.
Looks like we have some cars inside little 2-inch eggs.
Squishy.
Let's take this one piece at a time. We're showing too much too fast.
Yeah.
But if you guys aren't subscribed here, please subscribe down below. And we're going to do a tour of what we got from Alibaba today in our claw machine business. So the first thing we're going to show, looks like, is squishy superhero men. Squishy superhero men. M3 claw and M1 claw can both squeeze these guys. What do you think those feel like? We're not going to open the bag, but we're just going to squeeze them.
Those feel good.
They feel like foam.
They feel like foam, so they're Hulk. I'll put links down below to everything so you guys can look up the links below so I don't have to do so much editing on this one. But we've got some Mega Man. We've got some Iron Man, rather. We've got Hulk.
We got Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. What other superheroes? Captain America.
We got Batman. We got Hulk.
What Superman do you see here, Hudson? You see some Superman? I don't know who this guy is.
No, that's
Who is this guy? Do you guys know who this guy is? I don't know who he is. It's not Spider-Man.
I know who he is. I know who he is. I just can't remember.
He's got like a red diamond on his chest.
I think that's a girl.
No, that's a boy.
I think that's Wonder Woman or something.
Anyhow, these are easy for the claw to grab. Our M1 claw.
We can test them.
We're going to stick one's head inside the M1 claw just to show everybody. We're not getting out any more than one, though.
Okay.
We're just going to do one. We'll do the Spider-Man.
Right, can I do it?
And we're going to reach in. Both of you can do it. We're going to reach into the machine over here, and we're going to show that this M1 claw easily grabs the head of this toy. So we're not going to actually run the claw machine. I just want to stick his head up there. So see how the claw is grasping this plush, this soft toy, easily closing, easily letting go. So M1 claw likes this, and if the M1 claw likes it, the M3 claw should work as well. Next toy, we'll let Hudson demonstrate it, okay?
Which one?
So that's our Supermen that we've got. Those will be good filler. Everybody likes Supermen, don't they, boys? Yes, we do. So the next thing, let's show these light-up monkeys.
This is light-up monkeys.
There's a light-up monkey. It's got
squishy.
It's got suction cups.
They're bendable. You're able to bend them.
It's got suction cups on its hands.
Who knows if the claw is able to pick them up? I think the claw is able to
And their
pick them up.
bellies light up, don't they?
Yeah, let me see.
Their bellies. All right, so let's go try to stick that in the M1 claw, and let's see if the claw wants to grab it.
Can we take it out of the bag?
Let's just leave it in there for now. The claw will do its job. You push it up against it kind of hard. I think this M1 claw will grab it, and you just want to push it. If there wasn't that packaging, it would grab it. You guys see that? The M1 claw grabs this toy, so that's what we want. That's great. We'll put him back. And there's bunches of different colors. What colors of light-up monkeys do we have?
There is black and yellow.
Black and yellow. Show the camera here. Show the camera what we've got.
We got this color. We got this we got this orange color.
What colors do you have there?
I have pink.
Pink.
There's this yellow one.
Is there any green ones? I would like a green one, but I don't see any green.
There's a pink one. That Hudson will take that one.
Okay.
There's a blue one too.
The next thing we'll show, we'll go ahead and show them this
Can I
one
show
here.
it?
This is a good idea.
Can I show it?
Let's just all show it together here.
I'm gonna show
It looks like 2-inch eggs, and inside these 2-inch eggs, clear eggs, there's cars. You guys see that? There's cars inside these eggs. These are about 2-inch sized eggs, so these will do a good job inside the M3 and the M1 claw as well.
Should we test it?
We shouldn't need to test that one because it's about the same size as our Superman heads. And let's not get crazy here. All right, next thing.
I want to show it.
Show the camera what you've got here.
So we have these little
I'm
baseballs
sorry, Hads.
that the claw is obviously probably going to
Football.
pick up, like footballs, whatever they are.
Yeah.
They're soft, they're kind of squishy, and
What colors do you guys
we
see there?
got green, we got orange, we got red, we got brown, we
Mm-hmm.
got blue, we got yellow, we got a ton of colors.
Perfect.
Most
Set that right here.
And then we got the biggest thing.
Yeah, the biggest thing is right down here. We may not dig this out of the box. I'll pull the camera over to it. But everybody's been crazy about Labubus lately.
what? Those do not look like a fruit.
Yes, they do. That looks like a Labubu.
Labubus have sharp teeth.
Ours are sweet Labubus. So here's one of our examples of our plush from China. What colors do you guys see in here?
We have green.
We have green, we have white.
Look at him.
I don't know, these are cute, ain't they? These are.
We have pink.
There's a pink right there. Get that in the camera.
Then
Good
whatever
job.
this
We
thing
have yellow.
is. Then we have this.
We also have smaller purple ones.
We have this thing.
We also have, these are called boba teas. Everybody likes the boba tea plush. These are about, 4-inch plush.
And then we have
What
another-
color you got there? You got a purple one?
No, that's a pink.
That's a pink one. We've got a green avocado boba tea.
There's a hot pink.
There's a hot pink watermelon. And that's a huge bag. How many do you think's in there?
About
Yeah, let's not get the whole thing out. It's fine.
Over here.
No, we don't need to get it out.
at least 599.
We need to see what's under. We need to see what.
There's nothing else under it, bub.
Yeah, there's just boba tea.
Yeah, more boba teas.
No, I need to see what else is in.
These will sell really well because everybody's liking the Labubus. Everybody's liking.
Can we test it on the claw?
Yeah, go stick one of each. One of you guys do the tea. One of you guys do a Labubu looking thing.
I'm gonna do one of
And
these.
just push it up against the claw and see if it grabs
I'm
it.
gonna test it and see if it can.
You
actually
test
grab.
those two things. He's going to test those two things. So let me bring the camera over
I'm gonna give the orange one.
and we will test. All we're looking for is that the claw closes on it. I think it'll close on it, don't you? Especially with the strong settings up. The strong settings should collapse on that. That might be a little big.
And then the boba tea.
And then the tea. Oh, yeah. I think that'll grab his noggin, don't you? Yeah, I think that works. Put those back in that bag and let's test the other two things. Yeah.
That doesn't look like that good to grab, but
It depends on a strong hand.
yeah, it depends on what kind of setting it is and what kind of thing it is, really. So I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna put Spider-Man in there and see what we can do with Spider-Man. No,
That's a good grab. It was a good grab, but the strong claw was not on.
I'm gonna try this one more time.
All right, as you can see, the toys are a hit.
Okay, those look like it's gonna
Go ahead
be
and
able to grab it.
Put all these back in this box for now, just so we don't lose anything.
On to the next
And
box.
throw these bad boys. Just any plushes, we'll throw back in there for now.
To the next box.
And there's this. There's one more box, but I think I know what's mostly in that box. I think this next box is mostly going to be Pokemon balls.
But can you show it?
Yes, we'll go ahead and cut this next one open.
Maybe there's more stuff in there than you think. Let me do it.
Be careful, guys.
do
Let's
it?
cut this seam. Let me cut this seam before anyone gets. Let me get this real quick.
Can I do it?
So what have you guys been putting in your claw machines? You know what I mean? What have you guys been putting in? What has been working for you? Comment down below.
Looks like a blanket.
That's probably Pokemon balls. I bet that's what that is. So this is the first order from Alibaba that we've had. So we didn't know what to expect here. Let me jump in here with this sharp. Scissors. Everybody stand back.
Alibaba smells weird. Because I can smell this. You all aren't able to smell it probably.
I just don't want this to
It
overexpand.
smells for some reason.
It looks like some kind of like ball like that too.
We might need something stronger than these scissors to cut this.
probably
This
get
is
that.
definitely shrink wrap.
Yeah. Okay, that looks
Oh, I know what this is. This is my generic plush and Pokemon balls. Pokemon balls are on the bottom of this. So we may not be opening this today because this is really going to expand rapidly whenever we open that up.
That is a ton of Pokemon balls. That is like 100,000. That's like 1,000.
And then there's hundreds of Pokemon balls on the bottom there. 2-inch Pokemon balls. And then this big container here that we're not going to probably open right now, that is just generic plush. That's all like 2 to 4 inch in size, 2 to 3 inch generic plush. We're just not going to open it for now because that is going to be really hard to do. And it's going to expand really big whenever we open that up, and it's going to cause a huge mess. But for now, we got Labubu looking toys and Boba Tees. We've got these cars. Let's get this camera over here. We've got these cars. We've got these footballs, which kind of act like knobby balls. We've got these Superman soft stuffy toys. We've got Pokemon balls. And we've got generic plush that'll be perfect for the claw machine. That's our video today. If you guys like this kind of stuff, please subscribe down below.
You can buy it on Alibaba.
You can buy it on Alibaba. Yeah, that's true. And I'll put links down below in the description box showing you where you can get all these different things. Shipping took about a month and a quarter or less, maybe like a month and a quarter time, 40 to 50 days shipping, which was super fast. And highly recommend it. The shipping was super good, the packaging. So everything came here safe and sound, straight from Alibaba, which is going to be great for our numbers on our claw machine. And will also help us, we'll be stocking this in future videos. So again, subscribe down below. Thank you for showing up for Claw and Collect. We'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.